What do you want from me? I've given everything. Nothing was good enough for you.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Cajun Towboater Reviews. My name is Bo, aka the Cajun Towboater, and today we have a trading card opening for you. We got two Batman 1989 packs, a Batman Returns pack, a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 2 Secret of the Ooze pack, and a second series Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles pack. Now these still have some of these still have the gum in there, but these are over 30 years old. I don't think I'm gonna be keeping the gum or chewing them. But before we go ahead and open them, I want to give a shout out to Saleosaurus, toys, collectibles, and awesome stuff. I bought these from them at the Tammany Collectors Con, and they had a whole bunch of stuff. I even got the Ultimate Casey Jones NECA figure from them. So y'all go ahead and check them out. They have they're on Instagram at Saleosaurus. Just look for them and you'll see their card pop up right on here if it hasn't popped up already. So let's go ahead and start opening these cards. Alright, so we're gonna open up the first pack, the Batman 1989 Topps cards with Batman on it first. So let's go ahead and get these open. And these are some vintage cards. I mean, 1989, they're almost 33 years old. And look, the gum's still pink. That's scary that the gum still kept the color, and yeah, it's kind of hard. We're not gonna go ahead and chew that. We'll throw that away. So let's go ahead and check them out. We got the first one, Sabotage. This is when Batman's taken off from Access Chemicals after blowing everything up, even though Batman doesn't kill. He killed a lot of Joker's henchmen in this, blowing it up. Alright, the next one. This one says, taking aim at the Batwing. And it's Jack Nicholson's Joker. Whenever he was missed by everything that Batman was shooting at him, but Batman hit a lot of his henchmen, and then one gun takes down the Batwing. I always found that interesting. This one says, Vicky to the rescue. And that's when she's going to check after the Batwing crashes, right before the Joker takes her up to the top. Which is weird. He looks up and says 10 minutes to get to the top, and as soon as Batman gets there, he has henchmen there already, and the helicopter hadn't arrived yet. Alright, this one's called In Danger's Domain. This is when they're up in the bell tower. Alright, Rising Above It All. This is whenever they tell him to freeze and he throws down the smoke bomb and escapes. Slashing Assault. This is when Bob tries to attack him. And I always like Bob the Goon. Vicky Vale. Played by Kim Basinger. However you say it. Alright, this one's The Joker Conquers TV. This is whenever he's telling everybody that he's poisoned different things, but won't tell them what it is. With Smiley. Alright, this one is whenever they spot the Batman, right before Joker becomes the Joker. Jack Napier becomes the Joker. And this, I guess they had different cards. It says peel, but I don't want to peel. I guess it went together to make a bigger one. Not sure what it was. But it still has some of the gum crystals on it. So we got that pack out the way. Let's go ahead and we'll open the one with the Joker on it. Alright. Yep, that gum is still in there too. Alright. This one's called A Date with Vicky. And this is when they go in the museum and destroy a lot of the paintings to a Prince song. Keep up the bad work. This is whenever they're mixing the chemicals and everything. And he tells them up production. Alicia's new look. This is whenever he says he's a homicidal artist. The first fully functional homicidal artist. Who, what are you? Oh, this is the first criminals we see in the movie that Batman meets. And that's when he tells them that iconic line, "I'm Batman," where everybody fell in love with Michael Keaton as Batman. Gotham City's gang lords. And this is when they're trying to figure out what to do with Jack Napier, or the Joker. Or actually with Carl Grissom's stuff, since Grissom's dead. It says no match for Batman. It's when the dude just comes in and Batman sticks out that stuff and just knocks him out. Night of the Bat. This is when he comes down. Alright, Joy Buzz to death. Oh, this is when Joker kills the guy with the Joy Buzzer. And I do think Jack Nicholson loved playing the Joker. Super Sleek Craft. This is a picture of Batwing. This is another card. I guess this was different designs they were going to use. And this definitely has the Joker on it. So it must have been like, if you got everything, you got all the cards and stuff, it made a bigger card / poster of the Joker. That must have been what it was. Or it might have been other things. I'm not sure. Correct me if y'all collected this when y'all were younger, and let me know if I'm wrong or not. Alright, so we put these to the side. And go ahead and go on to the Topps Batman Returns. It's got 15 cards in it. And I'm sorry if this is a little noisy. Alright. Got these out the pack. This one has no gum, which is good. Alright. This is Batman gliding down to the Batmobile after Penguin threw knocked the Snow Princess or Ice Princess off the roof. I do like the way these cards are made compared to the Batman Returns, Batman cards. Alright, this is Batman fighting one of Penguin's circus gang. And I like how these cards have different things on the back too. This is the Batmobile crashing through when the circus gang is attacking the city. It's the circus gang coming out of the huge present. I like how this card has Bob Kane and Tim Burton on the back. We got one of the famous scenes from Batman. When he knocks the clown out with a piece of building. We got it when Penguin kills Catwoman and takes one of her lives. The Penguin's lair, when he's telling them to go kill all of Gotham's children, or everyone in Gotham basically. The Penguin kneeling at his parents' graves. We got the Snow Princess, Ice Princess, not sure what it was, y'all can correct me in there. Coming up to light the tree. Got a close-up of the Batmobile. Got Batman and Catwoman fighting. These are all turned around in it, that's weird. Alright. This is right before Catwoman kills Max Schreck. Another one of the Batmobile. And another one of Batman fighting one of the circus gangs. Same one. So we got two of the same in the same pack, which is weird. And another one of Batman just standing there. That's an awkward stance though. Must have been like a little him just waiting. They took a picture of him waiting for them to call action or something. Alright, so we got the Batman Returns out of the way. So let's go with the Secret of the Ooze pack. Alright. And they must have did the same thing for Topps back then, because I got the same kind of little puzzle card, but it's got Toko on the back. Alright. Makeshift Experiment is what this card says. And it's them trying to figure out how to get the anti-mutagen to start working on Toka and Razar. Mutant Attack. It's when Toka and Razar attack the city. And the Birth of Ninja Rap. It's with the turtles dancing to Vanilla Ice. That's how 90s this music is. You know it's 90s when it's got Vanilla Ice in it. Turtles to the rescue. It's when they jump in to save Kino at the beginning and the title card comes up. The Pizza Boy is back. Oh, this is where Kino finds out about everything. Toka the Terrible. I do like Toka and Razar. A lot of people didn't like them because they wanted Bebop and Rocksteady, but I do like Toka and Razar. Junk Food Fanatics. Popcorn. Donatello eating popcorn. Alright, a lesson from Splinter. Alright. We got those out the way. Let's go ahead and we'll open up the last pack, which is the Ninja Turtles second series from the cartoon. This is a small pack. It's only got like 5 cards in it. And it's got gum in it too. Alright. Says our story opens on the back of this one. Oh, and I'm sorry, I dropped that. It's got all 4 of the turtles. Alright. Defeating the Dragon. One of my favorite characters, Usagi Yojimbo. I'm glad I got this card in there. Alright. Chefs of the Future. To be honest, I'm thinking I really don't remember this episode. Dancing Bebop. Without a Paddle. I remember this episode. And here's another one. And that's what it is. These are stickers that you could put together, make like a little poster. And it's got a card on the back. This one has Raphael. But I'm not going to peel these because they don't seem like they would peel that easily. So that is it, y'all. I do appreciate y'all watching this. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if y'all like the cards. Let me know if y'all want to see more. You could search Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for Cajun Towboater Reviews. So you can go ahead and follow me on there. You can message me on there. And as always, thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video.